रमकांत खोत केसीचे तुम्ही सगळे आयकला की आमगे गोंयकारांक मारलो म्हणून ते पेडणे गांवां जालें ते सामकें दुखलें आमकां कित्याक भायले लोक आमचे गोंयकारांचे जमीन वतात आनी आमगे लोकांक मारतात आनी तो मेलो तो पुलिसीन FIR घायल्लो 4 लोकांचेर ते सामकें आयका 4 लोकांचेर FIR घायल्लो त्या 4 लोकांक अक्यूज म्हणून एकलो अब्सकॉन्डिंग जालो 3 जाण अरेस्ट चार्जशीट फायल केलो ते चार्जशीट आतां सेशन्स कोर्टाक पावलो आनी कित्याक कमिटल म्हणून आसता ते मर्डर म्हणून आनी थिंगा सेशन्स जजन एडिशनल सेशन जजन डिस्चार्ज केलो 3 अक्यूज अब्सकॉन्डिंग तो अजून आहा येवपाक पूण 3 सेपरेट ऑर्डर वर्च्युअली आयडेंटिकल सांगपाक की देर वॉज एब्सोल्युटली नो एविडन्स टू प्रिमा फासे कनेक्ट द अक्यूज विथ द क्राइम म्हणलें फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस जस्टिस ऑन जस्टिस दोन्ही सायडीन उलोवपाक वयता तुमकां justice for the victim's family and justice in the real sense of the word which is called true justice. On the victim side, justice म्हणलो हांव कितें म्हणटा इट इज इनजस्टीस म्हणलो तुवें कोणा बोकड्या पिकअप केला आनी भितर घायला ऑर ते फरे इनवॉल्व आसले जाल्यार तुमी बरें इन्वेस्टिगेशन केल्ल्याक सोडपाक तांकां कळ्ळें हांव कितें म्हणटा तें समजलो की investigation, if it had no evidence from the beginning, कितें अरेस्ट केलो and you kept him लोकांक फटोवपाक फॅमिलीक फटोवपाक की एका अरेस्ट केलो आमी आतां आनी मुख्यमंत्रीन कितें म्हणलें we will pursue this case and we will make sure justice is done म्हणला प्रॉमिस केल्लें आतां कितें जालां 3 जाण सुटले आनी होच एविडन्स आहा चवथोय सुट्टलो तूं आयक म्हज्या म्हणलो केस 0 केस जाली नाव लूक एट इट फ्रॉम अदर सायड देखून म्हणल्यार 2 सायडीन पळयता लूक एट इट फ्रॉम द पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ एन अक्यूज्ड म्हणल्यार तूं तो फरे इनवॉल्व ना जाल्यार 3 जाण वा 4 जाण इनवॉल्व ना जाल्यार तूं हात लायल्यान अरेस्ट केलो तांकां इतल्या म्हयन्यान जेलीन भितर दवरलो म्हणल्यार बेश्टे बॉल खंयचे मनशाक दाखोवपाक आमगे गोंयकारां फटोवपाक तुमी भितर उडयले तांकां आनी वॉट हॅपन्स टू लायफ ऑफ एन अक्यूज्ड हू इज रॉंगली अक्यूज्ड डू यू अंडरस्टँडिंग दॅट्स व्हाय आय एम सेइंग इनजस्टीस 2 सायडीन आहात एक ऑन द विक्टीम सायड and others is on the accused side. We have also to think, we have to be fair. In an investigation, you should be fair and honest. If a man is guilty, hang him. But if a man is innocent, don't arrest him, make him suffer trial and let him get discharged. Here there was a discharge, trial or not. In a criminal case, एक FIR quashing असता, एक discharge आहा, charge sheet file कोतरी discharge आहा. आणि तिसरे एक्विटल आसा एक्विटल केन्ना ट्रायल जातली एक्विटल जाता आतां ती सेकंड स्टेजीचेर म्हणजे FIR क्वॉश करून गेले ना ते चार्ज शीट टायमा गेले आर्ग्यू केले केस ना आनी जजान मानून गेला वय केस ना आतां प्रश्न विचारता सरकार कितें करतलो म्हणल्यार ते सुटले केस काबार आनी कोणा धरपाचें ना आनी चोवपाचें ना कोणाक कितें जाला म्हणून आणि कोण ते ऍक्च्युअली आशिल्ले ते इनवॉल्व म्हणल्यार इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन वॉज फ्लॉड इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन वॉज फॉल्टी फटोवपाक ते इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केला इफ दिस इज द फॅक्ट एज विच हॅज बीन स्पेल्ड आउट बाय द जज माय क्वेश्चन इज why should not this investigation agency themselves be booked and be prosecuted for wrongly incarcerating somebody दुसरे मनशाक बोलत्या मनशाक भितर गायलो what happens to their life, what happens to their family, what happens to their standing in society. Don't think life kabar kelo. See, I'm not talking that they are innocent. But if you are presenting a case which gives them discharge, that means 2 things. Either you wrongly investigated or did no proper investigation. Or second, They were actually not involved and तुम्ही बेशे गायला आणि सोडपाक. We demand explanations from the government because this is one of the fundamental things. Even when our public prosecutor आशिल्लो तेन्ना हांव पुलिसीक सांगतालो innocent man मनशाक अरेस्ट करनाका आनी कोण गिल्टी आहा तेका सोडनाका. दिसनाका तूं हायकोर्टान येतलो हांव NOC दितलो म्हणून. गिल्टी जाल्यार तो भितर वतलो, इनोसंट जाल्यार तूं फोंडा पडटलो. सो देखून हें म्हाका बरें लागना. येसले डिस्चार्ज मेळटा तेन्ना इन सच अ सेन्सिटीव केस. थर्ड पार्टी आमी जाणात पॉलिटिकल केस असतात. बेश्टे मनशा भितर पॉलिटिशियन भितर घातात मागीर तो सुट्टा म्हूण कितले म्हयन्या कितले वर्सां थर्ड पार्टी जेली उत्तात. That is also another thing which I will discuss in length about the system of judiciary. Because bail dinat आणि म्हणतात prima facie case आसा म्हणून आणि मग लास्ट डिस्चार्ज दितात म्हणलो किती चेंज जाल्ले. Zero from beginning, zero at time of discharge. So why should I have been inside for so long? So this I will explain sometime later with more cases. But this is one classic example which I think prosecution must be pulled up. I think the Home Department with the DGP has to review this case as to how this has happened. I call it a gross lapse and action must be taken to ensure justice is done in the full sense.
Sir, who should be blamed?
Gross lapse म्हणलं कोणाच्या वाटेन gross lapse?
Prosecution, investigation officer, investigating agency. आता हांव क्रायम ब्रांचान केल्ले पुलीस स्टेशनान केल्ले जाल्यार but whoever was the investigating agency, it's a gross lapse. Either incompetence, inexperience, or deliberate mischief.
No, you said Dr. Judiciary also not functioning.
No, what judicial not functioning is not that. My question about that, when a man is prima facie not involved, then my question comes is, when jail is the rule and bail is bail is the rule and jail is the exception, then why should a man suffer incarceration if there is no case on the date of discharge? Remember, date of discharge म्हणलो कितें तूं FIR घातली, एविडन्स कलेक्ट केला आनी तूं मागीर चार्जशीट फायल केला म्हणलो तुका एटलिस्ट कितें एविडन्स आसतलें. आनी त्या दिसा तूं गेलो आनी कोर्ट म्हणटा कांय ना म्हणलो तुगे केस पयलीं गायली तेन्ना कांय नाशिल्लें आनी तुवें कांय इम्प्रूव केलो ना. हाडपाक कितें मॅटर मटिरियल डेटा एनालिसीस फॉरेन्सीक कांय हाडलो ना आनी ते नासतना तूं चार्जशीट फायल केलें. सो डीड दे गो थ्रू डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्युशन? डीड दे गेट द डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्युशन also look at the charge sheet and point out flaws, ask queries, or you are in a hurry just to file charge sheet because they were inside the custody? तूं जाणा ते टायम फ्रेम आसा. तूं चार्ज शीट फायल करना जाल्यार टायमार भितर ते सुट्टात, डिफॉल्ट बेल म्हणून आसता. बट यू डोंट फायल चार्ज शीट फॉर द सेक ऑफ फायलिंग चार्ज शीट एंड लोकांक फोटोवपाक.
Will Congress file the
department letter back करतलो in future any cases तुम्ही बहुत intervene जातले?
No, this is not simply like this. Everything we can't keep running and this thing. It is for the government to immediately act on this because we will see this as a series of actions. I will explain to you another thing. This is actually a murder case which we found that he was murdered. What about those cases? ते पॉलिटिशियनाचे घातात मागीर ते बीजेपीन जॉइन जातात, वॉशिंग मशीनांत ड्राय क्लीन करतात आनी मागीर ते सुटतात कांय केस ना म्हणून. So that is all. I will come to that part of it in more in detail with more cases. It's just not a loose statement I'm making about I want support from judiciary. Any तुम्ही पळयलें आसतलें even few days back Dushyant Dave, who was in an interview with Kapil Sibal, also spoke about this on the same lines which I am speaking of. This support of the judiciary is needed to vindicate fundamental rights and especially the right of liberty of a citizen.
I mean, like any political angle is there?
I don't think there's any politics. To me, I don't see that there was any political angle. See, first, I don't know Umakant Kot. I didn't hear if there was any political connection or affiliation of him or his family with anybody. Then third is, at least I have not heard of any whispers of politicians being involved. But maybe sometimes certain politicians may be brokers, certain politicians may be having interest, some politicians may be facilitator in that sale of the land. But I don't know.
Then why the police was in so hurry to?
That is, they can answer it, not me. I'm putting the question. Ankita question प्रश्न विचारला. One thing I'm saying, the hurry of filing charge sheet is because they were inside. If you don't file the charge sheet within that time limit, depending on the offense, then default bail met टाकेगा. But that does not mean third party की जाता. Let him be on default bail. Default bail does not mean acquittal. उघडाच धरतो. Because you must do a thorough investigation and present the case in the court.
जर तुम्ही म्हणले भायले लोक येऊन हांगसर जमीन हडप करता आणि लोकांक हांगसर दादागिरी करता म्हणल्यार भायले लोक येऊन त्याच प्रमाणे तुम्ही पळोवपाक शकता कारापूर हांगा
That's okay, fine.
दोतोर तुम्ही एकटोच वचून ऑपोजिशन लिडर
That's okay. See, every time you ask me the same question, which I told you, I will give you an answer at a proper time.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.